Welcome to Online Quality Assurance Project Plans. This course is designed for tribal environmental professionals needing to write a QA plan for environmental monitoring. The examples are mostly for ambient air quality monitoring, but we do have supplementary material and we will be adding examples for indoor air quality, including radon monitoring, as well as monitoring surface water. The course is an assembly of material put together by generous environmental professionals from all over the country, especially the steering committee of the Tribal Air Monitoring Support Center, as well as generous people from states and counties, and of course, EPA's Office of Air Quality Planning and Standards and EPA regional offices. So thanks to everybody who's assembled and contributed to this course, and please let me know how we can improve it. This course walks you through element by element writing a QAPP. We've divided it up into several smaller courses for one reason, because writing a QAPP is quite a bit of work. And for the many instances when you're going to be revising your quality assurance project plan, whether you're changing instrumentations, changing personnel, adding pollutants that you'll be monitoring for, we've divided it up so that you can just go to that course that covers the elements that you need to make revisions to. And we've laid out the course in a way that takes you from the initial questions about the background, why you are interested in monitoring for this pollutant, then getting into how you need to make measurements in order to answer the questions that you have about your environment. So the whole focus of this course is to provide you with the resources you need to write a QAPP so that no matter how small your project is or how big your project is, your data meet the current industry standards for what constitutes valid measurements. It meets the requirements of whatever regulatory program you're operating under, if any. And if you're not monitoring for regulatory purposes, you still are going to make conclusions based upon your data. And you want to make sure that your time and your effort isn't wasted, and that the data that are the product of this environmental monitoring project are just as respectable as anybody else's, because you want to make sure that you can use your data for whatever purposes you want to use your data for. Finally, the way that we've laid out this course is to provide you with example texts for various elements. Again, you may already have example text that you have from a previous QAPP or from somebody else's QAPP, and then it describes what should be in those elements. It gives you resources, it gives you links, so that slowly you can build your QAPP. The assignments are not to write a QAPP for an imaginary program. The assignments are for you to write or revise your QAPP, and the assignments are to submit portions of your QAPP to us here at ITEP for review. And that way, we're not adding to your work, we're basically enabling you to write a QAPP, hopefully faster and more efficiently. So as you go through the course, you will be building your own quality assurance project plan.